Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno6 5G and I will show you how to take screenshot without using this physical buttons. So we get two methods. The first one, we have to open notification panel, find screenshot icon, click on it once, and as you can see the screenshot was taken. So we can save by tapping on the right upper corner. Another method, we have to go for the settings, scroll down for convention tools, go for the screenshots, and in this place we can find 3 finger swipe down. So if you want to capture this screen, you have to swipe with your fingers, and right now this screenshot was taken. So we can save it by tapping on the right upper corner marker. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.